Hidden rooms in houses are one of those ideas that instantly spark curiosity. They're not just about mystery, they're about practicality, security, and the sheer fun of having a secret space. When people think of hidden rooms, the mind jumps to bookcase doors and trapdoors, but in reality, the range goes from simple closet concealments to high-end safe rooms that cost more than a brand new car. The cost side is wide open. A basic hidden closet or sliding shelf door might be pulled off for under $1,000, especially if you go the DIY route or buy a kit. Mid-range options like prefabricated bookcase doors usually land in the $2,000 to $5,000 range. And then there are custom projects. Think revolving fireplaces, armored panic rooms, or underground safe spaces that can easily top $25,000 or more. The average sits around $25,000, but the purpose of the room, storage, entertainment, or security, determines how much you'll actually spend. You thought the last reveal was good, but the truth is, it's nothing compared to what's next. The upcoming moment is the one that will leave you talking long after it's over. But let's talk about the real draw, the experience. A hidden room isn't just another square foot of space. It's a story. It's the thrill of showing someone a wall that swings open, or the comfort of having a private retreat no one else knows about. Families have used them as kids' playrooms, private reading nooks, wine cellars, or immersive home theaters, and on the serious side, safe rooms and armories offer protection during storms or emergencies, blending peace of mind with practical function. Of course, there are hidden costs, literally. A secret room might need extra ventilation, wiring, or plumbing if you want it to be more than a storage nook. Doors require precision hardware so they don't sag or give away the secret, and codes require proper egress for safety. These details add up, but they also ensure your hidden room works flawlessly for years. The benefits outweigh the hassle for most. A hidden room brings a sense of exclusivity, personal security, and in some cases even resale buzz. While appraisers may not slap a higher number on your home just for having one, buyers love the surprise factor. It makes a property memorable. At the end of the day, a hidden room is less about financial ROI and more about lifestyle ROI.